Jaya. Doctor. Be the doctor. Help people.
Yes. Oh, Jaya wants to become a doctor to help sick people. Very good, Jaya.
Oh, Mira, next na.
Ay, standard lang tagay mo. Standard pa lang. Study here. Okay, next is you introduce yourself, anak.
To me.
Cardo,
I'm
Dalisay.
gonna be a policeman. You got fucking help people.
Yes, ni Sejan Cano, he wants to become a policeman. Very good. Oh, ay, niya na. O, yung bakang tinagan mo, ay?
I want to become a policeman to catch the criminals.
To catch the criminals, Cano. Yes, ni Kyrie. Next, Amira. Come, Amira. I want to become a doctor.
Amira.
Okay, doctor ka to get na Amira. Okay, next.
I want to be a fireman and go out to fire and save people.
Okay. Ni Kier kaya nakanamit nagbaling nga firefighter. Siya na yan.
Fire! Fire attendant!
What? Police.
Agent? Good? Oh my God? Policeman. Catch. Bad. People.
Very good. Shine. Yes, next is ni
Puro
Joanne.
I want. Policeman.
Wow, to protect our country kano ni Joanne, nagbaling nga policewoman. Wow, ay, basta
Ay,
dito
kakaiba.
dream ko, hindi ko dito yung hang ko na fulfill nga dream ko. Amok lagi dito, dream na ito, isa dream ko met idea. Okay, ano di, dream mo, Eunice?
Miss. What? To become flight. Just guide.
Stewardess.
To travel.
Wow, to travel the world. Kano, very good, Eunice, to become a flight attendant. Okay. Okay, baka di kayo, di kita nalpasin. Next is, ay, time di policewoman tayo. Ni Mick and ni Micaela.
I am Micaela. License. I want to become a policewoman to protect people.
Yeah, very good! To protect people. Ato di karda, dalisay, da karda. Ay, wow, nagwapo mo dito yan. Next is Sheldon.
Sindor. What?
To be an engineer. Engineer. Engineer.
Oceans.
Yeah, to build houses kano. Agpaka-giant Sheldon. Very good, Sheldon. Oh, dati, kahit nansabit ni Ma'am, agbaling sabit nga future Ma'am Yolanda. Ma'am Yolanda. Okay, go.
And for teacher. To teach children.
Okay, very good, Geraldine. Agbaling nga future teacher ni Geraldine. Okay, ni Clea.
When I grow up, I want to be a doctor.
Yeah.
To help people.
Very
Yay!
good. Yeah! Ito si Dr. Type ko ito yung lubutin. Yeah!
Puro doktor
Okay,
ito amin eh.
next is Ryzen. Okay, ni Ryzen.
One to be punishment, but people.
To catch bad people. Very good, Ryzen. Yes. Ay, wow. Adabay. Well, gusto lang dati. Torch. Very good, Kiara. Yes, at the sergeant. Ay, soldier. Okay, next is ni Althea. Alam pang padoktor tayo ito, hospital tayo, cons. Adot doktor tayo ito. Okay, next is, agpapaigit kayo anak ko. Handa pa buya di kita agsa o. Tapapatpatay nga ta Althea. Okay, tita tayo nga.
People.
Very good! Yay! Ni Jolani. Ay, na Briesha. Go, Briesha. You face the audience. Okay, talk na.
Doctor meet doctors. Hello, Jaya.
Jelani ni Ivy. Future maestra. Yeah, very good, Ivy. Teacher. Ano ba sa amin eh? Ni JM. Okay, JM. Soldado tayo. Okay, tagdargan amin tayo, tag-picture tayo. The future of Lubot. Child Development Center.